Welcome to 11250 Kingstead Road in Damascus, Maryland. How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson with RE/MAX. Let's go take a tour of this thing. Check out all this open space. Tons of natural light, great dining space, kitchen, family room, bedrooms. What else do you want? Let's take a tour of the rest. Huge family room space, great powder room, big office, bedrooms down here. Let's take a look. Check out this master. Tons of space up here. You got 2 closets, a great master bath, 4-piece, tons of natural light, and my personal favorite, a balcony for that morning coffee. You got a great kitchen here. Stainless, granite, and cherry. Easy access to the back and the big garage. But one of my favorite spots of the entire house is this sunroom right here. Great spot for hanging out, reading a book. Hanging out in the backyard, you got tons of space out here. We got a great garden area with raised beds, a dog run, new roof on that thing. And check out this garage. Really deep, with heat, wood stove. I'm Chris Thompson with RE/MAX. This is 11250 Kingstead. Let's make it yours.